Hello guys and welcome to TechRoots tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to change your Instagram password if you forgot it. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our Instagram app, and after opening your Instagram app, all you have to do is to click this 3-line right here on the top right corner and then scroll down until you see log out button. So just click log out right there, and once you are now logged out, just click log in into another account and then click forgot password. And after that, just put the username, email or mobile number that is connected to your Instagram account. So for my account, this Gmail account is connected to it, so I will use this to change my password. And after that, just click continue, and then you will be sent a code that you will use for this. And once you now have the code through your Gmail, so just paste it right here and then click continue. And then just choose account that you want to change your password and then click continue again. And then as you can see right there, we can now change our password. So just put the password that you want to put. And once you are done, just click continue, and then you will now have your new password. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching Tech Tricks tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.